What motivates students? The power of creation. Just kids love building things and being a part of a team. It's just fascinating to me to see these students come together and become a team, working together for the same principle. Then to watch them say, hey, we did that as a group. That's one of the most fun things about this whole project. When we went to the robotics competition in Salt Lake City, we had a lady by the name of Jane Peterson that came, and she walked around all the computers, and afterwards she said, let me talk to your better guys and ask a few questions what their plans and such were. She came around, and I called my seniors over, and she said, what did you do on this machine? And the guy said, we designed it, we worked out the bugs, we built it, we programmed it, we got it to working. This is our machine. It's ours. We did this from start to finish. She asked, where are you going to go to school? What are you going to major in? And the guys told her, and then she says, we started our engineers out at 85,000. It was the first time that I've ever taken high school kids to an event. An employer starts recruiting high school kids for their experience out of high school. The biggest thing that I see on this is the growth on the students. I see students that walk in, they say, it sounds interesting, but I have no idea how to do things. I remember one student said, go ahead, get a drill, drill a 3/8" drill, and he looked at me like, I says, the drill's over on the cupboard, okay, it's the red thing, get a 3/8" drill. And he brought the drill back, and he says, I says, have you ever drilled anything? And he says, I says, anything in wood, metal, and he just shook his head, no. He'd never even used a drill before. And then, by working with the other students and such, this young man became part of the team that actually made something that worked. And to see the growth on students is just remarkable. This is one of the first times these students really step forward, and it's their baby.
This will help me by when I learn how to use something, I can use it better in whatever I'm doing, and then I can be more efficient in my work.
I learned how to program things to a computer or to a joystick.
I learned that wiring is pretty difficult and programming that is even harder.
It will make me a better employee because I will be able to work with others and communicate a lot better.
You're going to be communicating, solving problems if you're in the construction business.
It took a lot of communication.
And I think this would really help me get into a really good college and better education.
I learned that nothing is impossible, it's all about how much time and effort you can put into it.